Hello friends, welcome back to my channel RishitInspiringKids. Today I'm going to share with you top 20 mind-blowing English grammar quiz for all grades. If you can answer these questions, please watch the video till end. Please hit the like button, please subscribe. Let's get started. The first question is my first time playing football. Which word is incorrect? It's my time playing. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is it's. It's is our correct answer because it's is because the word it is incorrect. It should be it with an apostrophe. And it's a contraction for it is or it has, while it's is a possessive pronoun indicating ownership. Your next question is which of the following is not a type of sentence? Declarative sentence, exclamatory sentence, interrogative sentence, derogatory sentence. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is derogative sentence. This answer is correct because there are four main types of sentences in English: declarative, exclamatory, interrogative, and imperative. Our next question is what does the word haughty means? Humble, joyful, proud, tired. Your time starts now. The correct answer is proud. Proud is our correct answer because the word haughty means describing someone who is arrogantly superior or disdainful. Our next question is identify the incorrect word in the sentence. Yesterday, I played basketball with my friends. Yesterday, play with friends. The time starts now. And your correct answer is play. Play is our correct answer because the word play is incorrect in this sentence. It's in the present tense while yesterday indicates a past action that has already happened in past. Our next question is what is the past tense of put? Put, putted, putted, put, put. The time starts now. And your correct answer is put. Put. The past tense of put is put. Our next question is fill in the blanks. Yes, I eat apple every morning. A and the none. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is N. The correct answer is N because the word apple begins with a vowel sound. In English grammar, the article "an" is used before word that starts with vowel sounds like A, E, I, O, and U? Our next question is, what does the word delight means? Sadness, anger, fear, or joy? Your time starts now. And your correct answer is joy. Delight is a word that expresses great pleasure or happiness. Our next question is, choose the correct word. There are dash oranges in the basket. Much, many, more, most. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is many. Many is a correct answer because the because many is used countable noun to indicate a large number. Since is a countable noun. Our next question is, identify the verb in this sentence. She quickly writes a letter. She quickly writes letter. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is writes. Writes is the correct answer because it is the verb in the sentence showing the action performed by the subject she. Our next question is, which word is a plural noun? Book, cat, toys, mouse. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is toys. Toys is the correct answer because toys is a plural noun because it represents more than one toy. Plural nouns are used to indicate multiple items. Book and cat are singular nouns referring one item each. Mouse is also singular form and its plural form is mice. Our next question is, choose the adjective in this sentence. The big dog barked loudly. Dog, big, barked loudly. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is big. Big is your correct answer because big is an adjective describing how the dog is. Is the dog big? Is the dog silent? Is the dog happy? Is the dog sad? Etc. Our next question is, which word which sentence uses the correct punctuation? Where are you going? Where are you going? Or where are you going? Or where are you going? Your time starts now. And your correct answer is, where are you going? Where are you going is correct because it ends with a question mark. Question marks are used at the end of interrogative sentence. Our next question is, What is the present continuous tense of swim? Swam, swimming, is swimming. Swam. Your time starts now. Your correct answer is swimming. Is swimming is our correct answer because is swimming is in the past continuous tense, which describes an action happening now. The present continuous tense is formed using is, am, or plus the ing form of the verb. Our next question is, which word is a pronoun? Table, she, run, happy. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is she. She is our correct answer because she is a pronoun. It replaces a noun, typically a female person. Pronouns are used to avoid repetition of nouns. Table is a noun, run is a verb, and happy is an adjective. Our next question is, choose the correct article. I saw elephant at the zoo. A and the some. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is and. And is the correct answer because elephant starts with a vowel sound. The article "an" is used before words that begin with a vowel sound, while "a" is used before consonant sounds. Our next question is, what is the opposite of fast? Quick, rapid, slow, speedy. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is slow. Slow is the opposite of fast. Antonyms are words with opposite meanings. Quick, rapid, speedy are synonyms of fast. Your next question is, which word is a compound word? Play, sunflower, jump. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is sunflower. Sunflower is our correct answer because sunflower is a compound word. It is formed by combining two words, sun plus flower. Our next question is, choose the correct preposition. The book is dash the table, on, in, at, under. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is on. On is our correct answer because on is the correct preposition. It indicates that the book is placed on the surface of the table. Our next question is, what is the simple past tense of go? Goes, gone, went, or going. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is went. Went is our correct answer because the simple past tense describes actions that happened in the past. Goes is the simple present tense. Gone is the past participle, and going is the present participle. Your last question is, can you give me a dash water, little, few, none of them? Your time starts now. And your correct answer is little. Thank you guys. If you liked my session, please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like button. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye.